One of GoodDay's most powerful features is the ability to create custom task types, which can be tailored to suit different kinds of work or departments across your organization. Another key advantage of task types is the ability to enable specific types for individual folders or projects within your project hierarchy. This flexibility allows you to create tailored workflows and efficiently organize work across multiple departments. To manage task types, go to Settings, select Core Modules, and then choose Task Types. Here, you'll find a list of all available task types. To create a new task type, click New Task Type. Let's create a new task type called Issue for our support department. Once created, click a task type to begin customization. You can modify various aspects, such as adjusting the task type workflow, enabling or disabling specific system fields, adding custom fields, attaching a default to-do list, setting a template message, and customizing task actions, among many other options. These settings allow you to tailor the task type to fit your specific workflow requirements. In GoodDay, you have full control over which task types are available for each folder or project. When a task type is marked as default, it automatically becomes available across all projects and folders. To assign or manage task types for a specific folder or project, navigate to the Folder settings and select Task Types. From there, you can enable or disable the task types you want available for that folder. The task type is also a system field for each task. You can display it in task views and use it to sort, group, or filter tasks, making it easier to organize your data. It's common to use task type as a filter or condition. For example, let's create a custom board view that displays tasks of a specific type across all projects in the entire organization. You can also use task type to filter data in various dashboards, as well as in GoodDay reports and analytics. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information about task types, please visit our support center or contact our support team.